Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Polygon MATIC. We can see that the last year alone has been absolutely huge for Polygon. We had a huge increase from about 3 cents in January all the way up to $2.50 or $2.68. So a lot has really happened in the last year alone. Like I said, 11,000% of an increase. However, the last day has been huge for MATIC as well. We saw about a 13% increase in the last week, about a 10 to 11% decrease in the last month, an overall 27 to 28% increase. So a very, very all around great increase for Polygon. I want to make sure I did say that, we saw a 10 to 11% decrease in the last week and not increase. But, for the most part, we've seen a lot of great things come out of Polygon MATIC. We actually take a look at the last month alone, a 27 to 28% increase is huge for a coin that has been all up and down in the last year. You can see here we had a huge skyrocket increase to that all-time high of $2.68, came right back down to about 69 cents, and then we continued to have a pattern of ups and downs. But for the most part, the crypto market is siding and kind of swaying toward the side of Polygon at the moment. If we take a look, we can see coins like Chainlink, $19.50, a very, very rough chart to look at here. As you can see, it's been all up and down, but really ending right now at a really low price point. So Polygon is doing very, very well. I want to talk a little bit more about Polygon and what's been going on recently with it, what's the kind of hype surrounding it, and where we could see it by the end of the bull market and the end of this year altogether. So if we take a look, jumping into the first tweet, we see 70 in ETH gas fees saved by Unstoppable Web by moving to Polygon POS. So that's huge, and you're going to continue to see more and more people move over to Polygon POS because they're saving on gas fees. ETH gas fees can be very high at sometimes, and we're going to continue to see more and more utilize Polygon because of that. We have more to jump into with Sandbox Games. So we've heard of Sandbox Games, probably most of you have at this point. It's been doing huge things as well. Sand staking is coming to Polygon. So you can actually get staking now, launching the Sand and MATIC pair, new staking program. So this is going to be huge. A lot of people excited about this as well. If you are a Sand holder, you're going to be happy about this. I want to jump into more regarding Polygon. So Polygon Nightfall is all set to move Robinhood testnet on the Ethereum network to provide low-cost and private Ethereum transactions. It's a ZK-proof protocol developed by Polygon in collab with EY News. So this is Polygon Nightfall testnet launch, and like we said, definitely a big deal. And we're continuing to see more great things coming out of Polygon just here recently. If we jump a little bit farther, we have an article. This one talking about Polygon acquiring Ethereum scaling startup MIR for $400 million. The Ethereum scaling network is undertaking another big budget buy. And this is something we've seen before, and we're going to continue to see out of Polygon, utilizing what they have and making some big deals and big, really big statements in the crypto space. So this is definitely a big, purchase here. I want to talk a little bit more about, a lot of people are talking about different cryptocurrencies that they are bullish on for the next 2 to 3 months. Well, here's 7 different ones, and Polygon is one of them. So Polygon MATIC, the front runner in the layer 2 space for Ethereum, is the project that was started in the heart of India, New Delhi. And, a lot of people have been talking about it here recently. MATIC has grown to be a unicorn in the crypto space and is currently the only live layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. MATIC, which is an important part of the Ethereum scaling puzzle, seems like a good pick for the upcoming months ahead, provided the market as a whole maintains its structure. So a lot of excitement around Polygon, a lot of people expecting Polygon to do well in the next 2 to 3 months. And that's exactly why we're going to continue to talk about it and keep you guys up to date here on the channel. I want to jump though back over to the price chart. So we talked about really kind of what's going on with Polygon, especially when it comes to what it does, what it's able to continue to provide for its users. However, why are people still stocking up on it? Well, we talked about how much utility it's providing, and where it's going to go in the next year is just huge. So by the end of this year, we're not expecting too much. I'm personally expecting $2.32.50 at most for Polygon. But by the end of this bull market, Polygon is one of those coins we're going to have to keep an eye on. I think we are going to see Polygon have an opportunity of reaching anywhere between $5 to $10, and that's a very broad range, but that does depend quite a bit on how long this bull market lasts, who gets involved, and how well Polygon adapts to the future of crypto. So right now, 13% increase in the last 24 hours. A lot of people excited about the future of Polygon. And I just wanted to give you guys kind of a brief update. I know usually we do about 8-minute videos. Today, we stuck around at 5 to 6. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications up or really on so you guys can stay up to date with all things crypto. And if you have not already, make sure to follow me on Twitter as well, Crypto Profit YT on Twitter. I'll see you guys all in the next one.